Google's about to change how small businesses get found online. For years, it's been the go-to place for finding anything online. You simply go in, search a keyword or a phrase, and you'll see a list of websites with links. But that's completely going to change in a way you've not seen for 25 years. Google's rolling out its AI-powered search mode, and it's already available in certain countries, even here in the UK. And it's not just a small update, it's a big complete change on how customers will find yourself. It's a complete change on how customers will discover your business and even interact with other businesses online and how they're interacting with search engines. And this could be a massive challenge as well as a massive opportunity for businesses that don't want to get left behind. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Bobby, co-founder of Be Munchy Online. We're a family-run growth agency specialising in 3 key pillars for online growth: website design, paid ads, and SEO marketing. I'm going to break down in simple plain English without the technical terms on what's happening so you can stay ahead. It's simple. Normally you'd go to Google and you'd type in search phrases like plumbers near me, or accountancy firm near me, or cheap running shoes, or gym wear for men. But with AI mode, it's going to change, because rather than just typing in search phrases and expecting a bunch of links to appear, it's going to be completely different, because you won't be typing in a certain key phrase. You'll actually be typing in sentences, so you'll have a conversational message with a search engine to then show you accurate results. For example, you might type in, I need a plumber who can come out this weekend, doesn't charge any call out fees, and it's for a boiler repair. And you'll be able to spot the difference right away. One is a complete sentence, the others are key phrases. The one with the key sentence, you've actually told the search engine 3 things. 1, the service you're looking for, which is a boiler repair. 2, you don't want to have any call out fees. And 3, you want them to come out this weekend. Therefore, it's going to show you people who are open on the weekends, don't charge any call out fees, and specialises in boilers. Whereas a single search such as boiler repair near me or plumber near me is not going to really find you the correct results, because you will not know whether they're going to charge a call or not charge a call out fee. And this is perfect for advertisers. In the past, we'd normally have to bid on keywords or key phrases, or even for SEO, target certain keywords in order for your website to get found online. But in AI search, it's not just about single keywords. It's about the context. So if somebody's not even typed in your keyword, but your website matches the conversational search that they've done, your website or your ad will then appear online. Businesses that are only focusing on old school techniques, such as singular keywords or key phrases for SEO or even for paid ad strategy, are quickly going to get left behind. And here's why your brand actually matters more. Google's not just looking at you as search results, it's actually looking at your whole entire brand online. That's from your website, your reviews, your social media, and even into the depth of how clear your product or your service descriptions are. All of that will contribute to how Google positions you online on their AI mode. Now, previously it used to be just your website and the content online needed to be optimized for singular keywords or phrases. Now it's completely changed, because you need the website to be showing content in a conversational way where it's more informational, giving the correct answers, not just simple couple of sentences and chucking a load of keywords. And if your online presence has these 3 things, which is being consistent, strong, and trustworthy, that's where you'll actually benefit to Google's AI mode. But if it's outdated, messy, and sharing the wrong signals, you could simply be overlooked. Here's 3 things you can actually do to start preparing to make sure you're not left behind. Strengthen your online presence, and you can do this by simply making sure your website's modern, mobile friendly, easy to navigate, as well as easy to understand. Alongside of this, as a benefit, you want to post on social media so Google can spot that you've got more of an awareness online, not just in one place. So that could be having blogs on your website, but also posting them onto social media in carousel format if it's Instagram, or a post format if it's on LinkedIn. Secondly, make sure your website's more conversational. And this is where you can update your product pages if you're an e-commerce business, or your service descriptions if you provide services. And don't just list features or with a big bunch of bullet points. Explain who it's for, why it's useful, and how it solves problems, or who it's helped before. And you can even throw in videos as well. And lastly, focus on quality data. So if you're running ads, track what matters. Don't just start tracking the number of clicks you've got. Start looking at the actual metrics that actually matter, such as keywords that are converting into actual leads, or pages that are actually converting to actual inquiries or sales online. You're talking about AI mode. Will people actually still click on links through Google search engine? chances are probably not as many. It's still going to show search results, but the ones that do click on it, the intent of purchasing or getting in touch or turning into an inquiry will be a lot more higher than it currently is, which simply means if your conversions are increasing, your chances of getting sales in will increase more to scale out your business. That means fewer wasted clicks, which means less budget wasted, stronger inquiries, and a better return on ad spend, only if you set things up the right way. And this is probably one of the biggest shakeups we've seen online in decades. But the truth is, small businesses that will adapt quickly will still have an edge, since this is only a new version that's come out and it's only going to advance even further and further with more data that's going online. And if you're looking to stay ahead of these changes and you want us to help for your business, click on the link below, booking a call with myself or my team, even if it's just getting a better understanding on what strategy to take to help get your online presence correct or to increase your conversions. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe. We post every week on Sundays. Thanks for watching.